kids. Everybody's trying this. Totally safe. You can get it anywhere.
Everywhere? Everyone's doing it?
Everyone. It's just vapor, and it tastes like Bubbleberry Blast.
Let's put on the fact glasses. THC changes memory and focus while your brain's still growing. Nicotine, addictive, hurts stamina, and wastes money. And look, most kids don't vape or use.
You don't need facts.
Let's fact check that.
Smart friends check facts, not hype. Just because something's available doesn't mean it's safe. Most kids choose health, and help friends do the same.